Guys, my name is Lynette. For those who are new, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today nimeamka nikiwa na homa. I'm coughing a lot. So I've decided to tengeneza some medicine and decided why not do it with my people, so that kama uko na homa pale, you can tengeneza your medicine and take it 1 or 2 days and you will be fine. 1 day or 2 days you will be fine. And guys, this medicine works and it's very affordable. By the way, you can get them in the markets. I will show you the ingredients, and you can get the ingredients in the market. They are very affordable. So guys, make sure you understand every step, so that unajua hii season ni ya homa. So kama utapata na homa, you can tengeneza your medicine, guys. So make sure you understand what I'm doing, so that you can do it. So guys, let's get into the video. And please guys, please nawaomba, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Let's grow together, guys. Support your girl. So guys, let's go nionyeshe venye natengeneza dawa. Yes, without further ado, hakuna kuongea mingi, tuende straight to the video. So guys, I will start by showing you my ingredient. First, I will use garlic, lemon, and ginger. And they are very affordable. You can get them in your market. Ginger, it's about 10 bob, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And garlic is 20 bob, lemon is 20 bob. They are very affordable, guys. You can get them anywhere, even in your kibanda there. Yeah. So I'll start by washing them. I will wash them first. Then I will start cutting them into pieces. I'll start cutting my lemon, then ginger, and last I will cut the garlic. And guys, please don't mind my kitchen. Don't mind it. I was trying to say something, but there were a lot of noise. So I'm sorry. Uske? Aliske? decided to cut into 2 pieces. So guys, let me show you what I've done. Look at this, guys. This is also English simdomo chetu. This is what I have. So I'll pour it in my sufuria. Yeah. And I will add about 1.5 cups because I don't want a lot. So if you want 1 glass, you add 1.5. Yeah, because itachemka. Yeah, some water ita reduce, so you will left with 1 glass. So sitatengeneza mingi, nimetengeneza hiyo kidogo hivyo. So I will let it boil for about 5 minutes. So let's boil it. So guys, I will pour my water, 1.5 cup or glass. And I will let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Let's go. Let's wait until 5 minutes. On a low heat. Make sure it's on a low heat. And our medicine is ready, guys. Look at that. This is now ready. Yeah. At this point, I'll pour it in my glass, my plastic glass. If you have the honey, this is the time you put the honey. So for me, unfortunately, I don't have the honey, so I will take it that way, and it is very bitter, so I will take it that way. Yeah. Don't put sugar, only honey. Don't put sugar, please. And if you don't have honey, you can take it that way. And my medicine is ready. And the remaining whatever, I will cover them, and in the evening I'll make another glass with the same leftovers. I will make another grass in the evening. You have to take these 2 days, 2 times per day. Sorry, you have to take it 2 times per day. So the leftovers I will make mine in the evening. Yeah. So guys, if you have the honey, it will taste sweet. So for me, I don't have the honey. That's why it's a bit bitter, and that bitterness it is okay. Yeah, that's what we wanted, and our medicine is ready, and it's not sweet, it's bitter. Yeah, guys. So guys, let's see each other in another video. And please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys. Bye bye.